Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we're just hanging around the daily mid-band. This is on the continuation chart. 79.5 on the continuation, 72 on the front month. We made it back down towards the Tuesday lows at 63 last night. So here was last night. Here's Tuesday. So 60.5, 63. So call it 60 to 65 is trying to hold things in. They started to expand out of those bands last night. They stopped it on a dime here and they walked it all the way back up to 31.20. So you can't underestimate the bear's ability to lay down or the bull's ability to push around price in the middle of the night. They had a really golden opportunity to take out a lot of this price action to convert both the front month mid-band as well as the weekly pivot sitting there both tied up together at 72. All's not well for the bulls. They had a chance to convert the 9-day, which they promptly screwed up. They had a chance to hold the hourly mid-band as support, which they promptly screwed up. And now we're back trading basically where it was when I went to bed last night, sitting at around 30.80. So 72 is going to be a big deal. 60 to 65 is going to be a big deal. The daily pivot, which is 16, 31.16, 9-day at 31.10 and change. You know, it's one of these things where they've got a lot to battle over, and it seems like they're not done consolidating. Now, the good news about the consolidation is, for the most part, it's been giving really good moves during the day, and then it'll kind of chop and consolidate and just kind of whip and jump around in fairly tight ranges. The key is skipping those jumpy times and finding your way into a couple few decent moves, and then just basically being satisfied with those moves. That's about as good as it's going to get. So what I'll be watching this morning, we open in an hour and a half, is what's the reaction here at 72? It's been basically bidless since 7 o'clock. Between 6 and 7 o'clock, it chopped around 31.05, and then it broke, and it's been going down for basically an hour. So I'll be interested to see what happens 72. Again, 60 to 65 is going to be a huge deal. Respect risk. It's still very volatile. In these jumpy conditions, you have to understand that you can't get ideological, you can't get dug in, you can't get too convicted, because you're going to get run over. It's better to take a small loss, get on the other side of it, and let it run to the upside. And that's for what we do. And look, let's be honest. We day trade futures. That's what we do. For the open, volume weighted average price at 30.95. Tied up there with the 5-minute mid and the hourly mid. Our proprietary moving average is at 31.02. So, still all centered around that 3100 roundy. And I would not be surprised if we went down to 72, found our feet there, and opened up somewhere around that chunk of price at 930. We're flat. We're staying flat until the open, and we'll take care of it then. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.